mixing geese bankroll. I get bread, you can't even get a bread roll. I see by myself.
What is up, guys? It's Shams here with a new video. Thank you for tuning in again, and today we are going to be installing a double din screen into a Mark 4 Golf. Now, I've done one for the Ford Fiesta. It turned out very well, got over 30,000 views. Now I'm doing it again for the Mark 4 Golf, and it's very simple to do, idiot proof. You can't get this wrong. If you get this wrong, then fuck you know, mate. Yeah, so the double din screen was for about 40 quid. The what's it called, the fascia, the keys, the connecting blocks was about what, £15 from Dynamic Sounds. I'm gonna leave a link to everything in the description below on eBay. Pretty cheap, so everything came up to underneath £60, and for what you get, it's pretty fucking solid, to be honest. Yeah, stay tuned to the video, and this is how you install it. Anyway, it doesn't matter, as long as you got this, you can do this trick. I've got the screen up there. Cool. First of all, you're gonna want to get your keys. Now, your keys look like this. Ignore my pants here, it's a bit dirty, but you get the shit. Work pants. You're gonna get keys like this, and you must have this like little cross at the bottom. You're pushing the key. Pushing the key. Then you're gonna pull it out straight, just like that. Cool. So once you take it out, you're gonna be left with these two power wires, right? Now, this one you ain't got to worry about, because this one is connected to the CD changer, which then connects into your radio head unit, aka this. Now, you can literally just toss it out the way up there, and then just worry about this one for now, right? And then yeah, so now we've got to take out the screen out the box, and then let's get it all situated. Okay, cool. So this is the head unit which I got. This was about £30–40. It's pretty slim. It comes with everything you need. Yeah. But anyway, this is the wiring which I was talking about. So you do have an option to splice it into your thing. If this messes up, you have an option to splice it in. This does come with the head unit, but I'm not going to mess with that, because you know it's a direct fit. And I did make sure that I got the ISO wiring harness from Dynamic Sounds, just in case it wasn't going to fit. So yeah, so it's literally the exact same. If you look at it, it's sort of the same color, same pins, same colors. But yeah, so we're literally just gonna plug it in, see if it works. If it works, great. If it don't work, fucking hell, send this shit back. And I forgot to mention, this does come with a reverse camera, which I'm gonna fit it up and run it straight to the back. But as for now, I'm just gonna make sure that just to get this working. Cool. One thing I did forget to mention, the antenna. So it does come with an antenna to plug it in. So it should be like, so this should plug into here, and this should plug straight into this. So you can retain your DAB antenna connection. I think this is for when you can use it when the car's off. Don't quote me on that, but I'm not quite sure what this one does. So I'm just gonna leave it and then try the car out, and if it's something important, then I'll just hook it up. But as for now, I ain't touching it. So the main things what you gotta worry about is this and your antenna. These three is what would sort this unit out. And anyway, everything what I got, I'll leave a link down below. And also the fascia adapter, which is a direct fit to that. But let's get installing. This is your antenna thingy, a jig that you get with it. This plugs straight into this, your antenna feed coming from the car, and then this will plug straight into the back of it right here, just like that. And then what you should do is to tuck it away. Obviously, I'm not going to button everything up. I'm going to do it after I know everything is working. And this does indicate which goes where. So this is, the black one is all the way to the left, which means this goes into the left, just like so. Should plug straight in. You get cool. And then this brown one goes into this second one right here. And then it should operate. Cool. So it works. One thing to note, use the connectors which it comes with. Don't plug it directly into the car. So my bad about that. use the connectors what it comes with, because it will then, you know, what do you call it, transfer what cable goes to what, and then should be good. Then all that's left is to button it up using the fascia, and then you're sorted. Okay, cool, so it's all hooked up and we know it's working. For what you pay for, it's pretty good, to be honest. Now, next thing what we got to do is we're going to hook up the fascia adapter. Unfortunately, the knob hits, so we're going to have to grind it or melt it so it can go around properly. Okay, cool, so after many minutes of heating and cutting it out, I cut like a little part out just to fit around the knob, and hopefully this should clear it. Yes, mate, it cleared. Play some happy music now. Okay, it cleared it. So that's what you can worry about. Turns up. Play. You can reverse it, skip it. So cold, I think I'm done with ice. Lovely. That's cool. Now, what we gotta do now is slot into place. So push all these wires to the back. Yeah. All these wires to the back, and then now, literally just, it should slot straight in. So there you have it, guys. Doubled in screen, fitted, all nice and perfect. Turn the car on. Screen comes on. Screen comes on. Nice and lovely. She gon' die, but bitch, you done with life. Okay. Woo. It's been your boy Shamsi signing out. Peace.